Yes.
Mum, what's that?
Ah, Nazia, that is a very special grave. One that no one ever walks over. Some say it's the most important in Westminster Abbey.
A king or queen?
No, not a monarch.
But someone famous?
No, not when he was alive. We don't actually know who he was.
I don't understand. If we don't know who he was, why is he buried at Westminster Abbey?
Because that's the grave of the unknown warrior. Nearly 9 million men from all over the British Empire fought in the First World War. Approximately 6.5 million from Britain and Ireland, and 2.5 million from the Commonwealth. Places like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Australia and New Zealand, the West Indies, Canada. The average age was 24, and those soldiers had to be over 18. 250,000 boys lied about their age. The youngest was 12 years old. For every 9 men that served, 3 were wounded, often with injuries lasting the rest of their lives. 1 in 9 were killed. Of those killed, 200,000 were missing and never found. Thousands of warriors, forever unknown.
The unknown warrior's story begins in 1916, in a garden in France. British Army chaplain David Railton finds the grave of a fallen British soldier, buried underneath a simple cross, with the words, "An unknown British soldier." Back in Britain, cries an unknown mother, an unknown wife, a brother, an unknown child who'd never discover just where their father lies. And born from the grief of a whole nation, David Railton had an idea. What if one unknown warrior could be brought home and buried at Westminster Abbey, alongside kings and queens in full splendor, to represent all the unknown sons, brothers, fathers who never made it back? And so the bodies of 4 unknown warriors from 4 battlefields are laid out, each covered by a Union flag. Secretly, one is selected, placed in a coffin of English oak, alongside a handful of French soil, land over which the warrior fought and died. And on Armistice Day, 1920, the unknown warrior was buried at Westminster Abbey. It is true, we don't know and will never know whether he's British, Irish, or Empire-born. But most importantly, we know he is ours. Unknown, but well-known.
It doesn't matter who he is, does it? We remember him because he's unknown. He helps us remember that people died, but he also helps us remember the people we love too.
That's right, love.